Welcome back to the Seated Tai Chi Challenge. The move of the day is going to be a heel kick. We're going to gather, cross, lift the knee, and kick with the heel. We are gathering and inhaling and crossing at the wrist. The outside hand is going to go right above where the foot is, where the kicking foot is going. So it's an inhale, fanning open, and focusing on that hand and that kick on the same side. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. What about the lower body? When we kick, we have to lift up the knee. Just like whenever we lift the knee and coordinate the hand movements with Golden Rooster stands on one leg. Only the hand movements are this gathering and crossing. Now everything's chambered. The kick is chambered. The palm strike or pat is also chambered. We open up the fan in the heel of the palm and the heel of the foot strike at the same time or move out. The other side is just the same, except the opposite hand is on the outside so that it can go out with the foot. Breathing. Inhale as you gather. Exhale as you kick. Inhale as you gather. Exhale as you kick. Let's add this heel kick to our Seated Tai Chi flow. Shift your mind, body, and breath. Ergonomic seated position. Hands float up. Inhale up. Exhale down. Lifting water. And we float up, and we roll back. Roll back arm, left and right, whirling arms. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. And then we hold the ball. Turn. Inhale, brush knee and push. Hold the ball, turn. Breathing in, breathing out. Holding the ball, brush knee and push. Hold the ball, turn, inward off. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Inhale, hold the ball. Exhale, ward off. And then hold the ball, turn the palm towards your face, upper palm towards your face, and then turn. Change, one up, one down, turn to the other side. Changing, turning, switching hands, shifting, turning, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Inhale, exhale, waving hands like clouds. And then one hand sweeps down and lifts the knee up. Golden rooster stands on one leg. Put it down, shift, inhale up, exhale down. And cross, lift, separate, heel kick. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Gather, separate, sink. Inhale up, exhale down. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Inhale up, exhale down, and the last time. Thank you for joining me.